Hi, this is Jake from the Spins Product Intelligence team, and today we're going to be covering the continued innovation in the types and applications of plant-based proteins. And a key reason that we are discussing plant proteins is because shopper values continue to drive marketplace evolution, which means plant-based proteins maintain a steady growth trajectory thanks to the robust nutrient profiles and diverse applications. So what are plant-based proteins? It's not just soy. So while soy protein certainly was the tip of the spear in establishing and driving the plant-based protein movement, today there are many varieties of plant-based proteins found across the store. So similar to super mushrooms, there are a wide variety of plant-based protein sources that are rapidly gaining traction, and each with different health benefits. Depending on the source, these benefits include being a low-fat complete protein, nutritious and hypoallergenic, and iron-rich, mostly complete protein, high in minerals and vitamin B, as well as having a diverse nutritional profile. However, what all of these plant-based proteins have in common is that they are often seen as being more eco-friendly and as a sustainable alternative to animal-based protein. So why do plant-based proteins matter? As can be seen above, plant-based proteins are the natural response to consumer demand for more sustainable yet nutritious alternatives to that traditional animal-based protein. So plant proteins have a wide variety of nutrient profiles that satisfy a diverse array of health needs, and as a category, have shown potential benefits to cardiovascular health compared to animal protein diets. Moreover, they are highly sustainable compared to animal proteins due to lower carbon, lower water, and lower energy requirements for a similar nutritional yield. Finally, the wide variety of plant-based proteins available on the market support diverse uses, and these uses range from addressing food sensitivities, adding additional structure in gluten-free foods, and even applications outside of food and beverage, such as in beauty and cosmetics. And when we look at the data, it's clear that every ingredient matters. The type of protein leveraged in a product can impact everything from perceived nutrition, the taste profile, the sustainability impact, as well as the number of eligible shoppers due to food sensitivities. And as you can see, plant-based proteins continue to be a growing trend in the snacks and candy, as well as the beverage categories, likely due to the plant-based protein, adding nutritional benefits without triggering any food sensitivities. Bean, rice, and hemp proteins in particular are rapidly gaining traction in those categories, while something like pea protein, which is already an established player, continues with stable growth. On the other hand, it appears that soy, which has paved the path for plant-based proteins, is no longer king. Its growth has largely stabilized or declined across the categories above, and while it has the largest market share in plant-based meats, growth in plant-based meats as a category has slowed. So it's important to note that plant-based proteins have come a long way in the past decade and that they are valuable alternatives to traditional animal-based varieties. And as we finish up this month's spotlight, here are the three key takeaways. First, plant-based proteins offer diverse nutritional profiles based on shopper health needs. Second, they are significantly more sustainable than today's animal-based alternatives. And third, depending on the protein, the snacks and candy, beverage, and vitamins and minerals categories all represent major growth opportunities. All right, thank you for watching, and please reach out to your rep or growth@spins.com with any questions.